Hey guys, Captain Paul here, and today I'm with SafeWake, and we're going to talk about Electra C. And this is a system, and why I got so excited when I saw this, absolutely, this is probably one of the most complicated systems on a boat. Recreational boaters' nightmare is dealing with marine air conditioner and the line buildup, and your company deals with that, right?
We are cleaning the AC strainer and generating a low precise level of chlorine inside your strainer basket so that your ACs are not going to need to be descaled anymore.
So that to me is so cool because I have, I don't know, 4 years of living aboard my personal boat. And I just remember the one story, I think I told it to you about, I'm getting ready to go to the airport to meet somebody, the air conditioner goes out and I'm going, oh no. And I was literally, we didn't even have the time to get the system back up and running, and literally, sometimes it can take up to two days to get the system because you got to descale the inside. And what we're talking about is the inside of the coils on the air conditioner all gets scaled up, and this system eliminates those scaling and all of those barnacles and all the growths from seawater.
Correct. So we're chlorinating the salt content from the water.
And you don't add chlorine tablets to the system?
No, no more chlorine tablets. We have a low precise level of chlorine that's going through our cell. Here, this is where we're generating the chlorine directly inside the strainer basket. And then on top, we have our control head here, and you're actively monitoring your flow rate. So you'll know if 40 gallons per minute is your standard flow. If this starts to drop, then you'll know it's time to clean your strainer basket.
Oh wow, that is even much more. And this is a 12 volt or 24 volt application?
The larger ones are going to require 24 volts, but our smaller applications are 12 or 24.
All right, cool. That is so cool. And it is all marine 12 or 24 volt. There's no AC voltage required.
Correct.
And then you can run this system 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
You should.
And these tablets are monitoring the flow of water coming through the boat. And as you see that go along, then you could maybe identify a potential.
Exactly. If this drops down, we do have an optional, you'll see it once it goes through the demo, we have a strainer light that'll illuminate once your flow rate drops, and that would be your indication that you might have a bag, debris, grass stuck inside your strainer basket. There it is. So you can preset that to whatever number you feel comfortable checking at, and then that's your indication to go look.
Now, where would somebody, like if you're West Marine, where would I buy something like this?
So we do work through a dealer network. We have over 100 dealers in the United States and international as well, so we can connect you with your closest dealer.
So we go to .com, like
electroc.com, and you could do Find My Dealer there. It'll even tell you, if you put your boat make and model, which strainer size and product number you would need.
I'm so excited about it that I think I'm going to find a client and I'm going to install it, and I'm going to do some real world testing with it because I really, it's big.
It'll make your life a lot easier.
100%. Anyway, thank you so much. We appreciate your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.